Now, this person played the bass clarinet in band, and the bass clarinet was bigger than this person. This person makes a mean charcuterie board, and David, meaning me, walked her mother down the aisle at her wedding. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see who our first person dropping by is. It's Tesher! Hello there!
Hello, my friend.
It is so good to see you.
Oh my gosh, it's great to see you as well.
Oh, I'm so tickled to have you in our kitchen, and we have something really, really fantastic to start with, but it is great to see you.
It is great to see you too, my friend. Hello, everybody.
Oh, it's going to be exciting. And I'm not sure I knew that you played bass clarinet in the band.
You know, I dug up some fun facts, okay?
Yeah, but I did walk your mother down the aisle.
And it was about this big, and I'm in heels, so yeah.
And when I walked your mom down the aisle, it was about the same height difference. Yeah, it was.
Yes, it was.
Miss Tara, we're going to kick things off with a two-quart maker.
Love, yes.
And this one is very special because what we're talking about is tempered glass on the top. So this is going to all go into the oven like all your stoneware pieces, up to 500 degrees. But so will the glass lid. Built-in handles. So as I tilt this forward, you can see, hello, yellow.
Oh, hello, yellow.
Really fantastic. I should also point out, I was so excited just to announce her name. Tara is also the president, CEO of Temp-tations, and chief designer.
Yes, thank you.
And this is our only order of the year. 7,000 of these already ordered this year and already over half gone. Tara, this 2-quart is going to be great for hot and cold dishes.
You're absolutely right, David. And here's the thing. We're always asked for some of those smaller everyday essentials. This is that. 2-quart capacity is perfect if it's maybe just you or two of you, or if it's a side dish that you're making, this is going to be the way to do it. We have great colors, which you know our brand is all about.
We're going to start with Woodland, which is here behind me.
Let's do it.
I'm going to assume my seat right here on the sink and talk to you about Woodland in slate blue. Only 400 to go around. Here it is in the gray, 250 in the gray, and finally the taupe, 400. Notice that also your finial in the Woodland is also stoneware and has the same pattern and is nice and smooth. Now, Tara, behind you, we've got two other great patterns that all of our foodies will be well familiar with. We're going to begin with Old World up top. What you collect, the confetti.
The confetti, and that has all the colors, David. Mixes and matches. I love the fact that it's hand painted on the inside as well as the outside, and also has that helper handle. So.
And only 600 of those to go around.
All right.
All right. Another one of our popular Old World colors is blue. 550 available in that blue. Then we've got it for you in the taupe. 600, actually fewer than 600 to go around in that taupe. Then we've got it in gray, 700. And then Tara and I coined this phrase, hello, yellow.
Hello, yellow.
It was over many, many years of presenting yellow, and we brought it back for the 20th anniversary.
Right. Love that.
And how many left in the hello, yellow? 700.
Wow.
Then we've got the color that started it all, the green.
Love.
400 in that green. Now, let's move on to floral lace. And Tara, before we get into colors, talk to us about what characterizes floral lace.
Yeah, floral lace has that carved detail right into the stoneware, and what we love about that is then the color is saturated around it. You have the beading that runs around the edges, and as David mentions, each pattern has its own unique finial. So when you're picking up floral lace, you can expect that overall color saturation, that beautiful lid, and of course the beading that runs around the edges. Look at how gorgeous this taupe. Taupe is one of our newest colors, David, and what's nice about that, a lot of new customers make this their first time purchase when picking up Temp-tations. So fun little fact there.
Fewer than 500 in that taupe. Then we have the gray. Fewer than 600. Hello, yellow.
Oh, love.
Fewer than 200. And remember, if that yellow sells out, will it be reordered, Tara?
It's possible. We haven't quite decided yet.
All right. Not this year, though. This is the final quantities of the year. Only order of the year. Then we have black. 120 left in the black. Not many at all. Red.
Love.
5 dozen. The cranberry. 90 left in that cranberry. And then finally, the inky cobalt blue. I have fewer than 500 remaining. It's the only order of the year. This will not be reordered in the year 2022. How many have been ordered? 7,400 this year. I have 6,400 left to go around. Tara, this is stoneware. So we're talking about into the oven up to 500 degrees.
Yes.
Cold macaroni salads, pasta salads this summer.
Yes.
I'm loving.
Did you see the ice cream cones?
The ice cream cone gloves.
these are available too.
Very, very cute. All right, so go into the oven and get one of my favorite foods.
Yes, well, I had to, okay? I always make a mac and cheese for you, but of course, first of all, that lid, amazing, comes right out of the oven. Oven safe up to 500 degrees as well, which is fantastic. Everything's bubbling around, and this is what we love. Ready? The pull away. Naturally non-stick, David. No butters, no oils, no extra added fats. And this is 2 quarts of ooey gooey creamy mac and cheese that I have helper handles that make me take it right to the table. And there's that gorgeous close-up of that woodland. Woodland, David, this pattern has taken customers by storm. Everyone loves that farmhouse chic look. So whether you're doing hot mac and cheese, or let me show you this, David. Look, a turnout. Right? Naturally non-stick. What's great about that? Look at that. I can pull that right out. Can you think about baking bread in a 2-quart baker?
Can I also show the inside of the baker?
Yeah, please.
Look at that. No sticking, no worries, no concerns. I know you're kind of
it's all good.
You're hooking it around that hot dish.
I'm gonna dance. I got everything going on. Hot artichoke dip, which is fantastic. This I love. This was my mom's idea. Put ice in the bottom, right? Then shrimp cocktail on top. We layered some cocktail sauce, and now this is gonna stay cold throughout the meal. And that's what's great about Temptations. Keeps hot things hot, keeps cold things colder longer. So when you're thinking about barbecue season, going out to the patio, the fact that we have that lid keeps all the bugs out, and you can keep things hot and cold at the same time.
I love the gorgeous corn. We've got the corn holders coming up in the show today from Kumar Khan.
Yes.
You've got a cake, I believe, you baked there.
Yes.
And then also there's that cold potato salad down front.
Yes, perfect. Love that. All your mayonnaise-based salads that you want to keep nice and cold in the summer months, this is the way to do it.
Okay, I need to let you know that over 8,000 now ordered for the month. That means in this show alone, now 1,000 are gone in this show. Let's talk about Woodland in the slate blue, 300 in that slate blue. Then I've got it in gray, 200 in the gray. And then finally the taupe, 350 in the taupe. Behind you, Tara, we've got the Old World, confetti, your favorite.
Love all the colors.
Fewer than 500. Next to that is the Old World blue, 500 left there. If you want taupe, 600, and then finally the gray, 700, and not finally, we've got the Hello Yellow, 650, and then the green, 350. Now let's move down to floral lace and begin with floral lace in the taupe. 475 available there, and we have it for you in the gray, 575. Then,
Hello.
Yellow is sold out.
How about I just put it over here?
Okay, you can do that.
Does that work?
Sure.
All right, perfect.
Okay, and black, we have 5 dozen remaining. Blue, 350 in the blue. Cranberry, 224, and red has sold out.
And we will not see this back, David, this year. Right.
Will not be coming back this year. So please take advantage of this now. Tara is dropping by. She's got another product she's going to be involved with a little later in the show. She's also going to join Mary in the chat, so I know that's going to be loads of fun. If you want to be able to chat with Tara in the chat, the lady's going to be buzzing over there, I can just tell.
Of course.
Is it already buzzing,
yes,
Mary?
We're so excited. Oh,
and Tara is not the only person dropping by.
That's right.
There are more. It's so exciting. You know how hard it's been to keep this under wraps? All right.
Yep. I know.
So, because you know, QVC is a leaky sieve. I mean, we can tell one person, tell them not tell, and then everybody knows. But we have done a pretty good job of keeping this secret. So we're going to wrap up here. And how many are ordered now, Sean? 1,500 gone in this show for the year now. 8,500, and what you need to be aware of will not be reordered this year. Stay on the line. We'll keep you updated as the show goes along. Tara, wonderful to see you.
I'll see you again.
We're going to have you back a little later to talk about an essential in the kitchen.
Yes, and I'm going to eat some apples in between.
Oh, are you? Lucky.
Oh.
All right, fantastic. All right, we're going to check in with Mary, who's going to update you on some Tarte cosmetics.
Hey, everybody, just while you're shopping in